chicharron in an ice storm.
Maybe not the most authentic version, but we're gonna try our best today.
2 inches of ice.
Gotta thaw this bad boy.
Made it.
Whoa.
Got a little carried away playing with the ice. We seasoned it, smoked it, and threw it on the smoker low and slow.
Guacamole to dip it in. Winter tomatoes.
Avocados, lemon pepper, sour cream, cilantro, red onion, tomatoes, jalapenos, and lime. Mix that up. Creamy goodness.
Peanut oil.
It was so cold outside, it took forever to boil. By the time it was done, it was dark out.
Whoa. The crispy, fatty chicharron mixed with the fresh guac. Unbelievable combo.